Hello students, today we are going to learn the lesson The Plant Fairy. Collect a few leaves of plants like lemon, mango, neem, basil means tulsi, mint means pudina and coriander means dhania. Crush the leaves and smell them. Do they all smell alike? Can you identify the leaves just by their smell? Now, let us take a look at the leaves of these plants. Lemon, mango, neem, tulsi, mint and coriander. Sonu collected the leaves of these plants. He crushed the leaves and smelled them. Sonu said each leaf had a different smell. Can you identify the leaf just by their smell? Sonu says he can. Look at these beautiful pictures. They are made of dry leaves. You can arrange the dry leaves in a similar way into different shapes and drawings. Do in your copy. Didi taught everyone how to take rubbings means prints of leaves and tree trunks. All you have to do is place a paper on the trunk and rub the crayon or color pencil on it. Look, you have made rubbing of the trunk. Look at the rubbings made by the others. Are the rubbings of different plants or similar? The rubbing of the different plants is different from others. Which leaf gave a good rubbing? The leaf which has a good surface, it will give a good rubbing. In case of which tree was the rubbing of the trunk difficult? Why? If the tree has a soft surface, rubbing will be difficult because a rough surface will get a nice print on paper. Here is the picture of a tree which had a smooth surface, and this one is the picture of tree which has rough trunk. Look at the picture and name the things which have patterns of leaves and flowers on them. Pillow, bedspread, carpet, curtain, photo frame, book cover. All have patterns of leaves and flowers on them. We have to list them in your copy. Pillow, bedspread, carpet, curtain, photo frame, book cover. Plants. Plants are living things such as herbs, shrubs and trees. They are the main source of food for human beings and many animals. Plants come in different sizes and shapes. A tree is a kind of a plant. A tree is a tall plant with a thick woody stem called the trunk. You must have seen many plants and trees. How many of them can you name? Write their names. Sonu says that he has seen a lemon tree, mango tree, neem tree and jasmine plant near his house. Now ask this question to yourself, find their name and write down in your copy. Are there any plants that you have heard of but never seen? Which ones? Sita says that she has heard of an apple tree and cashew tree but has never seen them. This is how cashew tree and apple tree looks. We can see that cashew fruit and the apples are hanging from the branches of the tree. A cashew nut grows at the end of the cashew fruit. These fruits can be plucked and eaten. Ask some older people if there were plants which they have seen when they were children but are not seen these days. Sonu asked his grandparents. They said that kadam tree which they have seen when they were children is rarely seen in these days. The kadamba tree looks like this. Also ask them if there are any plants which can be seen these days but which were not seen earlier. Sonu asked his grandparents and they said that they have never seen the purple roses when they were children. This is how the purple rose looks. friendship with a tree. Choose a tree near your school or house and make friends with it. A lasting friendship. Near Sonu's house, this neem tree is there. So this tree is to be his friend. Sonu knew that it was a neem tree. What tree it is? Ask some elders if you don't know. Will you look to give your friend a special name? What will you name it? Sonu knew that it was a neem tree. Sonu named the tree Nemo. Does the tree bear flowers or fruits? Which ones? The neem tree bears both flowers and fruits. How do the leaves of the tree look? As you can see in the picture, the leaves are long and thin. Do animals live in the tree? Which ones? Birds and some animals like squirrel live on the tree. Sonu and this neem tree are friends now. Choose a tree near your school or house and make friends with it. Ask these questions to yourself. Think about the answers for them and write them in your copy. In this lesson, we have learned about all the plants are different in their shape, size and color. The leaves are different and their trunks are different also.